places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again.
Good job in the city.
There you go, you're on camera. Woo. We're going to start cooking our dinner on the Omnia, aren't we?
Yeah.
So let's see how it goes. What we got going in?
First, pigs in blankets, stuffing, and then we'll take them out, we'll put in the roasties and the roast veg.
So we're going to use the grill as a holding oven, I believe.
Yeah, I'm stir frying sprouts.
Not a big fan.
And turkey's already cooked.
Excellent.
And we're going to have lots of Prosecco.
And in our defence, we've been out for a charity walk kind of thing, organised and got pissed.
We've had a fabulous day.
It may go terribly wrong. We'll see how it looks.
Hopefully not.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
So what we got then?
Right then, so parsnips and carrots. We're going to roast them and then do them in some honey. We've got mustard, so just honey. Roast potatoes. So, but to start with, we're going to do the pigs in blankets and the stuffing balls in the Omnia. Roast them off first, then we're going to pop them in the grill, cover them in foil, use it as a bit of a holding oven while we get this lot cracked on. Then we're going to slice the turkey and the gammon and warm that, probably warm that in some gravy. Bread sauce to make, and your favourite, Brussels sprouts. We're going to stir fry them with some blue cheese.
Excellent.
Sorted.
Apart from the Brussels sprouts, I'm not looking forward to them at all.
Yeah. This is me and Billy. This is our life in an absolute nutshell, right? So that's my cupboard. Yeah, lovely, tidy, everything folded. And this is Billy's cupboard. Look at that, and trust me, that's good. Normally things are spilling out and there's mess all over. And I'm like, but I'm tidy.
So where we've been? Doing what?
Mountain biking.
Did you enjoy it?
No, but then yes.
So were you a bit of a mardy ass?
No.
Are you sure?
Positive.
Are your nose is growing?
No, you're just me.
Oh what? What am I?